engineering po yung background ko.
Oo.
When I started working sa semiconductor industry, would you guess ano yung pinaka-important na skill and software na ginagamit nila doon? Excel. And Excel is something that was not taught sa college. We know how to use it, but paano yung mga formula? How do you create stats? How do you create complicated computations within Excel? Hindi yan tinuro sa amin. And I was surprised because semicon industry yon, but then Excel pala yung heavily used na software, but it was not taught sa engineering.
Yan ang sabi nating engineer, nga tama nga ang kurso, but when you go into the real world of work, your skill cannot match with the demand of the work that you will be performing. So that would be an additional cost on the part of the employer because you have to go into additional training to equip you with the requirements of your work.
Totoo yun. And I think yung the best example doon sa sinasabi niyo po na mismatch doon sa skill set.